Hello everyone. So today we are going to go you through our Wavelink website. You can see the whole structure, how it is, so that if you want to order, this is the review section. You can see how the NFC business card works here. Yeah, it's a bit loading. Yeah, now let's see. You can see you can actually just take your phone and just scan it. Now, if we just go through that, you can see the review sections. You can also scan the QR code to manage your reputations and everything. This is almost like a reputational management service from us. You can see the growth infrastructure, what we are aiming at in future, how we are going to grow in our roadmaps and lifestyle milestones. So you can see we're going through one by one. Okay. Now you can also see our NFC review stands. The actual images here. We are also going to provide you more models based on your expectations. Currently, we have this in our stock. This is the business cards. It's like $5.99 BTT, and the review stands $12.12 BTT. You can see the videos. You can see we also have an affiliate marketing program, like a sustainability membership program. Just go down. See our FAQ. You can ask questions there. Also, you can check our shop place, and yeah. Also, if you just go, we also have an investor deck for investors if you want to invest in us in our business model, which is being transformed daily. So these are for like high traffic businesses where we are going to provide feedbacks for them. So we are also measuring the impact and everything in regular basis. You can also send your emails to us. We will reach out to you anytime if you just raise it. Thank you very much. We are Wavelink. We are coming out of one tap, endless connections.